Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on wallet, Luno Wallet. So buying Bitcoin on Luno is quick and straightforward once your account has been verified and funded. But it's important for you to know before we begin that before you can buy Bitcoin, you must have a verified Luno account and sufficient funds in your local currency wallet or another supported payment method available in your country. So launch the Luno app. If you're not verified yet, click on your profile icon at the top right corner, click on account and settings, scroll down, click on verification, and follow through the prompts to verify. So we're back here. Before buying Bitcoin, make sure that you have money available. Your local currency wallet has no balance. Tap portfolio at the bottom right corner of the screen. It's going to take you here. So open your local currency wallet. Once you have, tap on it. Once you do that, tap deposit or tap send. Choose one of the available, sorry, not send, rather tap receive. So once you tap on your cryptocurrency wallet, go ahead and tap receive. Then choose one of the available payment methods for your country. Complete the deposit by following the on-screen instructions. If you find the deposit icon, tap on deposit. If you don't find it, tap receive. So if you tap on receive, then it's going to show you your crypto wallet address where you can send it to anyone to send money right. Okay, but if you see the deposit icon, just tap on deposit and choose one of the following available methods for your country and to complete the deposit by following the on-screen instructions. Now wait until the funds appear in the wallet before proceeding. Once your account is funded, just go ahead and tap buy from the home screen or portfolio. So tap on buy, remember that you have to verify your wallet. Luno will display the assets available for purchase. So from the list of cryptocurrencies, they'll be displayed once you tap buy. Tap BTC, Bitcoin. This becomes so choose how much Bitcoin you like to purchase. Depending on the region, you can enter the amount in your local currency, the amount of Bitcoin. Sorry about that. Luno automatically calculates the equivalent value as you type. If prompted, select how you want to pay. Depending on your country, you may be able to pay using the local currency wallet balance or another supported payment method available in your region. Only the payment options supported in your country will appear. Now, Luno may ask whether you would like to make one-off for a single purchase or repeat buy to automatically buy Bitcoin at regular intervals. Now select the option that suits your preference. If you're only making a one-time purchase, choose one-time. Tap review quote. On the review screen, carefully check the cryptocurrency you're buying, the amount of Bitcoin you receive, the amount you will pay, any transaction costs or fees, and the payment method being used. And take a moment to confirm that everything is correct before continuing. If all details are correct, swipe to buy to confirm your purchase. Depending on your security setting, you'll be asked to enter your Luno PIN, use your fingerprint or Face ID, or complete another security verification. Once confirmed, Luno processes your order, and after purchase is complete, tap portfolio again, which we have here, and open your BTC wallet. Your newly purchased Bitcoin will appear in your wallet balance, in your transaction history. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.